Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video where I will be showing you how you can simply go ahead and disable your filtering feature on your Telegram app. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply step into our video. So if you got that problem, if you simply want to sort out, instead of going to your app, we will go to our web browser. So once your app's browser is open, simply go ahead, type in Telegram web, then you will see this kind of interface, right? Simply go ahead, tap on it, tap on this login by phone number, enter your contact detail, tap on this next option given. As you can see, I have got the code in my Telegram 841. Simply go ahead, paste it, and once your code is pasted, you will simply get logged in to your Telegram right there in your browser. So what you gotta do is then you will see this 3 horizontal line. Go ahead, tap on it, go to the settings option third, scroll down, go to this option called privacy and security right there. Then you will scroll down and find this option called sensitive content section, which is called, then you will have option disable filtering, display sensitive media and public channels on all your Telegram devices. So if you go to your browser, get logged in, then finally you will be able to discover this option right there. As you can see, this is enabled in mine. So if you want disable, simply go ahead, check this box and your filtering will be disabled. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.